this video, you will learn how to use the group quoting feature. This tool is designed to significantly streamline the way you secure transport jobs on the Clicktrans platform. With this feature, you can submit, for example, 20 quotes even if you only have the capacity to complete 5 of them. While placing a quote, simply expand the More Options section and click Add Quote to Group. You can name your group whatever you like and set a specific limit for accepted quotes. Once that limit is reached, the group will automatically deactivate. You can also edit your groups directly from this view. Additionally, you have the flexibility to add or remove quotes from groups via your dashboard under the My Quotes tab.